Hi everybody. I wanted to come on really fast and give you a very quick piece of information. We have been talking about these particular boxes in my live stream recently. This is called the Large Photo and Craft Keeper this one's by Recollections. The ones I had in my stash were from Isis. This actually came from Michaels. This big box opens, and then there are all of these small, they're photo boxes, so they're 4x6 and they're acid free. We've been talking about these boxes because, and let me get this down and out of the way, and I'm sorry I can't get the whole box on here, but this holds 16 of these boxes, and we've been talking about them because Barbara Clark, one of my subbies and who watches my live stream, had told us about the fact that when she does her punch outs, then she keeps them in these little boxes. And I have a few of these boxes. Well, this is one I'm going to use for very delicate. These were a gift, and I've still got them in the plastic bag because they're very delicate, and I don't want them to tangle up with other things, but this kind of thing could just be down in the box. And the reason I'm coming on today about these is that big box that this is stickers, so you could sort out lots of little stuff in them. But that big box, this whole container is normally like $40 at Michael's. It's ridiculous how much this thing costs. The thing is that for Labor Day weekend, they're on sale for $14.99. I went to Michael's because these were on sale for $14.99. Well, at $14.99, it makes these boxes less than $1 a piece, and that's better than going to the dollar store and buying some kind of box for $1 a piece. The thing is that they also have a 20% off even sale items for Labor Day weekend. So even sale items, you get 20% off. I got this box last night for $11.99 plus tax, and with 16 of those small boxes plus the bigger box for organization. I just really wanted to let everybody know that Michael's has these on sale, and you can still use your coupon, and you can get the whole box of 16 of these small boxes for less than $15. So I just wanted to put that out there and let everybody kind of know about that deal. That's the reason I came on. Okay, guys, I hope you have a great day. Oh, let's read a creativity quote. We should always have a creativity quote. This is from my book called 1001 Ways to Creativity. Creative desire needs to be kindled and then regularly fueled. Oh, I like that one. Okay, guys, go have fun, make some art. Bye-bye.